Hello everyone, welcome to Tip Top Facts. Today we'll be talking about Japan, the land of wonders. We all know that Japan is the land of the rising sun, but there are a few facts which many people don't really know, and honestly even we didn't know until we started researching about this video, Japan. So let's get started. Japan is the land of the rising sun. It's also the land of cherry blossoms, land of kimonos. A few things that many people don't know is that Japan is also the land of vending machines, also the land of square watermelons, and also the land of pets. We bet you didn't know about the last few. And that's why today's topic is about Japan, the land of wonders. First up, cherry blossoms. No, wait. I'm so very curious to know about these vending machines. So let's walk through the busy streets of Tokyo and find a vending machine. Did you know that Tokyo is the most populated city in the world? Maybe that's why we're finding a lot of traffic around here. So I did find a vending machine, and in the vending machines in other countries we get things like water, fizzy drinks and other general stuff. But in Japan, it's a completely different case. In Japan, we can get things like traditional rice cake soup. You may also find a vending machine which sells umbrellas. Yes, it sounds unusual, but it's very embarrassing walking through the rain without an umbrella over your head. In case you forgot to wear a tie for your important meeting, no problem. You get neckties too in vending machines of Japan. At first, I didn't really believe that we can get such things like umbrellas and neckties in a vending machine. But after doing a small research, I figured out that there can be more unusual things which we can find in a vending machine. And did you know that there are slightly over 5 million vending machines all over Japan? And Japan has the highest density of vending machines all over the world. There's at least one vending machine per 23 people. And did you know that the revenue which is collected from the vending machines is more than $60 billion? And there are a few vending machines which sell things which are native to their own provinces. And to sum it up, Japanese vending machines tell you a lot about the country's culture. After my vending machine adventure, I went to search for a restaurant. And when I went inside the restaurant, I saw this dish called fried tofu, and it looks pretty delicious, right? And I also saw these dumplings which were presented like a clock. I admired the way they presented it and the way that it looks so delicious. But then I realized that they were models and were all fake food. The restaurants make these fake food so that the customers have an idea of what they are going to be served. And the real food looks equally appetizing. Like this is the fried tofu which I ordered, and these are the dumplings. Look pretty similar, right? Oh, that was a scrumptious meal. What would you like to have for dessert? How about square watermelons? Yes, those are real. Those are completely real. It's not fake. So cube watermelons were intended to fit more compactly in the fridges and able to be cut more easily. They were invented by graphic designer Tomoyuki Ono in 1978. He presented the watermelons in a gallery in Ginza, Tokyo. He also applied for and received a patent in the United States. The melons are grown in boxes and take the shape of the container. They tend to appeal to wealthy or fashionable consumers because in 2001 they cost anywhere from 2 to 3 times a normal watermelon, at about $83. Although cube melons were originally created with the practicality in the mind, the cost now is prohibitive. To retain proper shape, cube melons must be harvested before they are ripe, rendering them inedible. Did you know that there are about 8 million pets in Japan and about 13% of them are dogs, which is more than the number of children who are registered in Japan, and that's why Japan is called the land of pets. Back to our original topic, which is cherry blossoms. Remember we left that in the first slide and we came directly to vending machines? Yes, we are coming back to it right now. This is a picture of a cherry blossom tree. It's so beautiful, right? Cherry blossom is Japan's national flower and it's called sakura in Japanese. Some people come and picnic under cherry blossom trees. Such places are known as hanami spots and they are exceptionally beautiful during night time. Did you know that Mount Fuji is the most famous and most beautiful hanami spot in Japan? It's because it offers a lake view. It also gives a view of the legendary Mount Fuji and also has many cherry blossom trees aligned to it. This is no way related to Japan or Japanese culture, but let me drop in a fun fact. The cherry blossoms actually originated in the Himalayas and not in Japan or Washington DC or the cherry blossom capital of the world, which is Georgia. That's it today for Tip Top Facts. Please support our new series, which is the 8 Planet series. We've already released a video about the first and the smallest planet, which is Mercury. Hey there, a small message from Tip Top Facts. If you're watching this right now, then you watched the video till the end. Thank you. Please hit those like, share and subscribe buttons for us. See you next time. Bye.